my name is Becky. I am product manager. I used to use Microsoft Excel, but I switched to Google Sheets. For more reviews like this, click below. So we use both of these products to handle all of the spreadsheets and data analysis that we need to manage for our online learning platform. Google Sheets is best for when you need to collaborate with coworkers on a spreadsheet because you can all edit in real time and it has really great version control. Microsoft Excel, I would say, is better for when you need to work on projects offline, spreadsheet projects, because it is not cloud-based, so you can work on the files even when you don't have an internet connection. With Microsoft Excel, there's always a learning curve for people who have never used it before, and it also has a significant cost. Microsoft products, are not free. With Google Sheets, if you already have a basis of knowledge about how to use spreadsheets, it's very easy to get started and it actually doesn't cost anything, so that's pretty cool. When you're thinking about a spreadsheet management product to use, you should consider whether you need to do a lot of work offline or whether you are going to be doing a lot of collaborating with others on the documents, and that can help inform which of these products you might want to use.